Let's ask you, Ash. Let's ask him. Let's ask him. Sorry. Good morning, how are you? Let me see.
We're going to Old Street.
Yeah, go straight down, turn right, down to the underground.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. We asked the gentleman down there, and the gentleman there where we're going, he just directed us. So he said at the end of this tunnel, we turn right and then we go downstairs. So yeah, we don't exactly know where we're going, but we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. So guys, let's go. Let's go. I'm enjoying this. I've never been in a train. It was so fast, guys. Already, I'm in London, guys. It was so fast. Yeah, it was fast. Did you see? It was actually flying. Yeah, guys, it was actually flying. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. So all the people that are going out, they are using that exit there. They're using that exit there, those that are going out. So I think we're taking that, going that side. Yeah, he said we turn right. So we're just gonna turn. You see, it says welcome to London. Yes, welcome to London. Yes, it's Melly in London. You remember, Sophia in London. It's Melly in London. Yes, so yeah, here we are. I'm not so sure. Oh, he said down there. So I think we're going down there. Way out. Okay, I think we are going in there. I think so. When he said down, what was he talking about? Is this? Can we come go in or what here? It's like people are. It's like one way. Huh? Or we go out and we come back again. So okay, so we need to go out and then come back again. That's what it's saying. Okay.
Alright. You need to go downstairs and take the Northern Line.
So how do we?
Exit. Use the ticket with
Yeah, we do have the tickets.
Okay.
Which ticket are you using? The one that we use? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna use a ticket here. The one that we used before. So he's saying we're using the ticket that we used before to go out, so we're gonna use this ticket to go out. Okay, so we're learning. So what do I do with the ticket? Well, how do I do it? Scan it. Is it? Oh, let me use the. Okay. Oh, okay. So the ticket, I'm putting it where? Here? For the barcode. Okay. I'm getting help here. Thank you. Now it's out. I'm going. Yes. Now we're going. He said we're going to the tube. Is it tube station? Tube. What? Where is that? Underground. There. Oh, yeah. So we're going underground, guys, now. So we're going underground. Oh, it's very much. So this one is, we are no longer using it, right? Are we? Oh yeah, we are. We are going underground now, guys. Let's see. We're going underground. Alright, I think we are taking this way. Yes. Should be this way. Ah! Huh? Here, downstairs. Because everybody's coming here. Let's go. We'll figure it when we get there. Let's go. Trust me, follow me. Guys! Yes. That's what we are doing. So don't worry, the video is not that clear because we are underground. But you'll see it. At least you can see, guys, right? We are now underground. Right? We are now underground. Underground. That's where we are. Underground. So I think here underground, people get to go and see these movies. You know? I think there's a cinema somewhere around. Or what? I don't know. And then if you want to eat, you can see people are eating. We might as well go down here because I see other people going down.
Yeah, please ask people about tickets.
Okay. So yes. South Africa. Oh, Savannah. I normally buy from it. I usually buy from it. Guys, this is Savannah. I normally buy things from this shop. I normally buy things from this shop, honestly. Look at it. I normally buy things from this shop, guys. Savannah, online, but I'm just buying online. Hi. Now I saw it in person. Oh, okay. Wow, nice. All the stuff is here. We got everything here. Everything we have. Wow. Wow. Okay, so we said you'll come and buy when we're coming back. So yes. Huh? So here. Let's go and ask that guy then. Let's go and ask that guy. I think it's here though. Ask him. Ask him. Platform number 8.
These don't work on the underground.
So what do we do?
You're gonna have to tap your bank cards or use your phone because they're not valid.
Oh, so we use the bank card?
Yes.
Okay. No, it's not a problem. I think, so we're paying for the ticket here?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so we're going to pay for the ticket here.
Yeah, so you're going to have to say, yeah, so these are terms to say the card, you have to tap in and tap out.
Okay.
And that is how you get charged. If you don't tap out, then they will charge you double price.
So you're saying we do what?
You have to tap in and tap out. So you
tap in when you're coming out.
And then you say tap out at Old Street.
Okay. Then I tap out where? Here.
At Old Street.
Old Street. When you're going out. Okay, thank you. So you tap in, guys, you saw this on the card. You tap it in when you're coming in, and then you tap it out down there where we are going. So it's quite an experience. It's quite an experience. It's quite an experience, guys. It's quite an experience. Savannah shop. Those who are buying Savannah shop, you see the Savannah shop, that is the South African shop. I normally buy my things from there. I didn't know that they have got a shop. I didn't know about that. So yeah, let's go down, guys. Let's go down. Now we are going down. Bend up. Is it like as if it's bent a little? Okay, we are here. And then, Ashi, what did you say? Down there? Is it down there or there? You didn't listen when I was saying. I think I need to stop this because I need to stop this so that we can pay attention to what is happening. because we don't even know where we are going. What's the road?
No, we're not going with Northern Airlines. This way.
Let's check there. So we're not going that direction. So I think it's Victoria Line. Check here. Where is it?
Change here. So
Which one?
it's high variant.
And overground. So we're going here. Okay, we are underground, guys. As you can see, we are underground. Let's go.